This was a great way to start off the winter season. The solstice occurred this morning, late morning. When that happened, well, the sun was at its lowest point in the sky, but the temperatures jumped up nicely. What better way to spend a nice warm first day of winter than how about skating down on the rink? This is from our Kentucky One Health WeatherBug camera located at the Lexington Center. And you can see again that it is just a terrific afternoon out there. The clouds came in as we went through the day. But boy, ice skating when it's 60 with the Christmas tree there, that's nice. MaxTrack Live Doppler, we are looking quiet and clear, so here we go. We will be tracking rain coming in tomorrow. That rain may become heavy late in the day tomorrow and especially tomorrow night. Chances are better a little south of I-64. We'll talk about that in a second. For Christmas Eve, we're looking ahead to some light rain and snow chances. The chances for the white Christmas may be a little bit less than what we were thinking yesterday. It's still there. There's still the chance, but it's just not as good a chance. Christmas week has a very wintry look and feel to it. And the latter part of the week does look interesting. So there is a flash flood watch in effect. Begins tomorrow afternoon. Really, it's tomorrow night into the early part of Saturday would be the prime time. So it's essentially I-64 and the Mountain Parkway southward would be the areas for that flash flood watch. When you look at some of the computer modeling, it's a good general heavy rain coming in. 1 to 3 inches as a general amount. Maybe an isolated pocket gets a little bit more. Lesser amounts as you head up toward the Ohio River. But again, by the time we're at noon Saturday, it's an awful lot of water. The thing is, though, we are so dry going into this. Cane Run Creek right next to the station here. We're near the headwaters of it. It's bone dry right now. So again, we've had less than an inch of rain over the last month. So again, there's a lot of place to put the water right now, but again, a lot of water may be on the way. Warm front went by today. Boy, was that obvious because temperatures really jumped up. And with that, those good southerly winds. Now, wave of low pressure heads up towards central Indiana. Our winds still southerly tomorrow. We begin to bring the moisture in along for the ride. The front gets closer. Secondary wave of low pressure on the map. With it comes the rain. And there you see tomorrow afternoon with, again, pockets of heavier rain coming through not only afternoon, into the evening hours as well. There's that secondary wave for you. And again, southern Kentucky more the focus than areas to the north. By the time we get you to Saturday morning, we're beginning to pull that low away. The winds shift to the north, and we'll start to bring the colder air in as we go into Saturday afternoon. We're waiting for the Arctic boundary to get here on Sunday, and it will get here. We will feel much colder temperatures, but even on Saturday, by the latter part of the afternoon, temperatures should be on the way down. How about that 60 today, close to 60 tomorrow, about 50 or so, and that's going to be early in the day on Saturday with temperatures falling, and fall they do, Christmas Day. We may not get out of the 20s. 58 right now, Bluegrass Airport, south wind at 12. You look around and temperatures running mid-50s for most of us. White Christmas chances, not great. Maybe a little light snow or flurry coming in here early on Christmas Eve that lasts into about the time Santa Claus is flying around. We'll see that then head off to the east for Christmas morning. Bottom line is we check the forecast for tonight. Cloudy, unusually warm, kind of breezy. We'll drop down to around 50 tomorrow. Temperatures get close to 60 as the clouds thicken. The rain arrives. Again, the flood watch really for tomorrow night. Rest of the forecast goes like this. You're looking at rain ending on Saturday. That what you see on Christmas Eve, Sunday, that's sprinkles, flurries, and then ends early on Monday and the cold next week.
Just flurries.
I'm not real excited about it right now.
Okay.
Maybe I'll get excited by tomorrow.
Let's hope.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Well.